Hello, hello. Welcome to another day in Desert Merge. Okay, everything's alright. So let's recap what we did last week. What I did is start preparing the objective system, and I had accomplished to detect whenever there is the objective is completed when there is a new spawn, but that won't work all the time. That only works the first time. So I will work with that for the next 2 hours of the stream. So yeah, so what happens here is right now, as you can see here, we have a macaron and a cookie. So for now, we can see that there is no changes. Once I go and get a macaron, we can see that is detected, and also that we can already accomplish that. But if I continue working, right now there is no macaron, and still we have a green tick, a green check mark saying that it is. So by coincidence, there is a macaron here, but that doesn't matter in any way. I can remove every macaron, and as you can see, it doesn't check because there is no checking whether it still exists or not. We only check if the next spawn, the item that is being spawned is the objective or not. And once it is, it doesn't change anymore. So yeah, that's not alright, and I will need to change a couple of things. So yeah, I will have a couple of I will need to do a couple of methods, functions to be able to detect that, and that will be a little difficult to do, a difficult function to do, because it's not as straightforward, because as I don't have any way to know or to have like a registry of which items are already in the field, in the play area, I cannot know if the objective is still there or not. So we need to change that. One thing we can do is whenever there is a change, a item is launched or a merge is done, instead of just sending the item that is being spawned, maybe we will need to check if every single. So maybe we need to send every single item in this area. So yeah, that's not entirely effective or optimized. So we can do a list of names and check with that. So let me see if we can have anything like that. So let's go to the script, and we have my game, the select new objective is here, and we can see select item to spawn. No, that's not it. So in the spawn new item, in here we I think it is here. Yeah, item created, and then we send the item properties. That is okay, but not entirely. So, when there is a new item to launch, I think that's okay. We have the let me see, where was it? The merge item, I think it was. Yeah. So this, I think it's okay because we don't need to. We only need this fish for detecting that the actual item is done, and then I can, whenever it's a merge, is what we need to check. So yeah. So this is okay ish. So I don't know how to do it exactly. So because I have my objective.gd, so I have this thing now. So I have the item created yet. Check if completed. I have this one that it has like an item properties, but I think I need like an array. So maybe I can do something like that. An array of merge item properties, and then in here I need to here a for item to check in item properties, and I will go and move this. So now it's item to check equals R equals is item to check the name, and in here is item to check. Okay. So yeah, so that, well, I don't need that exactly because I already have that. So if there we can no longer okay, let's see, and break. Okay, let's do something else. So here we call a bar item found, and this will be a float, and it will be false. So here, instead of this, I will do an item found equals true, and I don't need an item found there. I need to put an item found here. Item found is a boolean, and this equals to false. and this is not okay. I don't know why I did that. Sorry. So yeah, I don't need this. Well, I don't need this, but I won't do anything of this, and also anything of that. So let's remove this. So then item found is true, and break. We break that. So if item found, then invisible true. Else, now we put it on false. This will update that 100%. So now it's not working properly because we're not sending correct things. So let's go to the game. When we send, no, first we then go to the merge item. Because here we will do something. I think I can do like this. I think I can do that. And in here, I will do the same, but it's not. Okay, and I will. So this is not okay right now, but it will work for us. So here we have cookies. So let's create a cookie. It's not working. So, okay, something's wrong. Okay. Let's check for any errors that we may find. Let's see what we have here. A lot of errors. Cannot convert argument 1 from array to array. Like what? Cannot convert argument 1 from array to array. May I beg your pardon? What? I don't get it. So if I go to there and do that, then it's okay. I cannot be from array to an array. Huh. Let me yes. Say it's not this. So we have the cookies. Can convert argument 1 from object to array. That's okay. Okay, so this is an array of. Let's check on properties. I don't need to make it anyway, right? So this dot. I think it's pen. I think it's a pen, and I can use the item instance dot item properties. I think yes, I can do that. The end of the array, yeah. Yeah, okay. So it should be. And then I should be able to do something like this. And for now, the merge item won't do this. So let's see if we can see what's happening. Okay, so that's okay now. We can't have that, and that because we have sent the cookie. Yeah, so now it's okay. Okay, all right. It's all right. So maybe I can do this as array of merge item properties. Maybe I could do something like that. So let's check for that. Yeah. Now it seems to be okay. All right. Now it went. Okay. So now it's working as intended. I don't know why that, but optimizing this. I don't know why. So yeah. So yeah, okay, that's okay. But it's not entirely okay. So it's not okay because we're not sending everything. So that's not okay. That is not okay. Hmm. No, I cannot work with that. I can't. I just can't. So this is not entirely okay. So I will left the item created. Because I will do something else. Let's go to my signals. I think created signal the marks. So let's go back to my objective and check if completed. It will be on item merged. And then VM signals dot item created connect to check new item or something. Just give me a quick second because I need to grab my cable for my keyboard because it's getting out of battery. So yeah, just a minute. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, my keyboard was dying. I need to charge it. So they will break my cable. Well, it's okay. So check new item is objective. So just go to function, check new item is objective, and it will get a item, and it's a match item properties, and it will return nothing. So yeah, so here if an objective is null, then return, and if not, let's check. So yeah, so if current objective dot name is equals to item name, then we will put the print check visible on true. And that should be it. So now my merge item is emitting the item created, and this one, but if it's anything merged, then we will check if it's. So let's check for that. So now it's launching, so nothing happened. Error calling signal item created. Why not? Yeah, we have our signal. Why? Oh, item works. That should be it. Yeah, so let's check again. Okay, so now it's okay. Now it's also okay. Let's try to remove that and get a macaron to spawn. But give me. Right. Not anything for you now. What's that? That's okay, little permission. Alright, let's keep going. So yeah, let's try not to. Okay, macaron, it's okay. Now it will go off. Let's try to spawn to get a macaron spawn. Okay, so now it won't take a macaron for some reason. Okay, that is just mocking me. It's Okay, now. So now should be okay. All right. Yeah, that's working. So now I need to go to my game.gd and make a function, a new function that will be function get all late items or something like that, and it don't need any parameter, but it will return an array of merge item properties. Okay, so maybe do I have any find node or something like that? Or search node? You can have something like get node. Okay, let's search for that. Let's Google that. So, road 4.6. Find all nodes of type. Do it enough again type in the editor. Well, I don't want it in the editor, but let's push it. Okay, something like this. Find children. Okay, let's see. Find children. Type string. Okay. Whose names match pattern. Return an empty array if no match is found. The matching is done against node names, not their paths. So string dot matches as such it is case sensitive. Matches 0 or no characters, no matches anything character. If type is not empty unless such inheriting from type included. If the question is false, only these nodes direct children are checked. Nodes are checked in pre-order. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so find children. Okay. Let's look for an example. Godot 4.6. Find children. Example. Let's see. Okay, so let's see. Well, let's try it by ourselves. So I have a var result that is an array of what merge item. So result should be to find. So okay, let's see. So I have that, I have that. Should be. So result should be a find children. The string should be something like this, and the type will be merge item. Not recursive. And so what? As array of merge item. Yep. Find children result is print result. So let's check if that's okay, and then we make a return result. What? Okay. For now, let's do that. Let's check on that. And I need first to call this function. So where here? Yeah. So var foo equals get all plate items. So let's see. Bada boom. Okay. So for now, just say it will return an array, and result is just an array. And do I need to make an array.new or something like that? Ah. Okay, so as nothing. And children result is nothing, so it's not working. Okay. It's not a merge item. What is it? Oh no. Oh no. No. Let's see. Oh, it is a merge item. So this is not entirely okay. So find children. I pattern nothing. Type merge item. Recursive through. And what else we have? Own. No, I think. Let's check that. Okay, something is not okay. What? Okay. for a moment and just... Yeah, but everything is because it's getting all of this, and I don't want that. So let's go back. So I don't want that false. I want that to be false. But then it won't get anything. Okay, let's go to the remotes. Let's see if we can check the remotes. So we have game. Game has as a child a strawberry. And that's what we want. And so strawberry is a merge item. So why it's not getting the information? I don't get it. So I can get the childs that are in unlockable items, but I can get the strawberry that is in there. Why not? Okay, I need to do that. Not there. I cannot do that there. Oh, come on. So annoying when it does that. I need to do that here. So okay. So we're not returning. Bar is not some. And this is a boolean that is false. And whenever it is merged in here, just get this, and we is merge is true, and here whenever the add child is done, we're going to do something like that. If it's merged, then do that. Let's see. No, it's not doing anything. Why? So it's because the recursive because if I go with true, the first one should be a strawberry. Well, sorry, a macaron. So there should be two macarons. There is none. Is it a children? Or is it a sibling? I don't know. So let's go to get parent. Dot find children. Can I do this? And it's nothing. No. Okay, I don't know why it's not working. So, because if I just add a brownie to my game, it is a merge item. So it is a brownie in here and a brownie in there. So that's okay. We have a brownie here and a brownie here. Okay. If I put that on false, maybe it's because I do not understand how the child goes, because here we have the brownie. That's okay. But if I remove this, let's see the remotes. So let's see the remotes, and let's go to the game again and pick that again and again. So I learned something. So we have the strawberry 2, so that's okay. We have that. So it should now have the macaron, the strawberry 3, and those are game children. So I don't understand. Well, okay, what's happening here? There's nothing. I do not understand. It should get everything. But it's not. I don't understand at all. I can't do that then. I don't understand. Okay, let's see. Get all nodes of type. So yeah, this is what I need. Okay, find by class. No, let's enter that now. So for child in node get children. Well, yeah, but I don't like that. Okay, I can use groups. Get nodes in group. So I can use something like, say, let's see. Yeah, this is what I need to do from the beginning, I think. So I have this merge item, and I think I can add a group here. So maybe here, global groups. Maybe it's in there. Project settings. There is no group. Groups name. For example, I don't know. Name this sorts. Add. Okay. So now this is of type desserts, and I should be able to put everything on the search. With the brownie, yeah. Cookies. The default item is also in the search, even though it's just a default item. That donuts. So even if it's inherited, I need to put that. So key lime pie, macaron. Don't need a main menu. The merge item is already in the search. The objective should not. The pudding in the search. Send Maya is shelf behavior. The s'mores is of course in the search. The strawberry is also in the search, and the tiramisu is also in the search. Okay. Let me see what I can do here. So why are you complaining? You're complaining by nothing. And you? Yeah, you also for nothing. So yeah, let's close this. Folded and the cookies, cinnamon roll, cake item, and the brownie. And now I should be able to. Where is it? So here is not that. So get 3. Dot get 3 dot let's see, subgroup notify group get nodes in group, and the group is dessert, I think. What is it? This desserts, yes. Desserts, I don't know. So okay, so and this, what does it returns? Get nodes in group. An array of nodes returns unreconciled nodes inside this tree that have been added to the given group in sin hierarchy order. Alright, that should be. But I need to change this. And in a deferred. I don't know, I think. So let's see. So nothing here, something here, nothing. It's not. I don't get it. I really don't get it. I have my macaron. Let's go to game so I can look at this. So no groups. Why? I do not understand. Well, so whenever I instance something, come on. Fucking hate this. So I can do something like item instance dot item instance dot and there's something with group. Add to group. Okay. So I can do something like that. The search. Did I write it incorrectly? Yeah, no. Okay, let's see if that does something. Okay, but because this is what? Here. But because it's not doing that in the same way, and now we have like some kind of macaron and two strawberries. So I need to call that defer. So let's go. Oh, okay, so it's not easy. It's not easy. You are also not easy. So Godot, come on. Godot call defer. I don't want this. Let's search or defer. First method on the object during idle time. Always returns null, not the method result. That happens mainly at the end of process physics, effort calls, elemental support. You're looking to delete the function called by a frame. No. So what I want I'll defer get result. Get function region. And the function get the value black. Since that will be white too and frame. Okay, let's see. The callback disappointment is called when game finishes in its so I don't know. I don't know anymore. What if instead of doing this, is it the already called every time? If not shell. Okay, let me wait. So I have the item properties. Let me check for something real quick. Where do I have my shelf? Behavior. Because I have the textures and so on, but I don't have the shelf behavior. No. So what do I do with the shelf behavior? Okay, friend child. Okay, if not, if shelf behavior is null, print a string is ready, and the dollar is name. Yeah, name. So let's see. Strawberry is ready. Strawberry 2 is ready. Is macaron ready? Nope. Macaron is not ready. What? Really? Strawberry 2 is ready. Macaron is not ready. Yeah. Okay. So this is not okay whenever is okay. Okay. So nothing here. There is a function something like yeah, enter 3. So let's do that in here. Also, let me remove this. And let's check that again. So everything here has entered 3. Something here, nah, this is okay. So, okay. I didn't want that, I want that. Strawberry dust is ready. Macaron is ready. Okay. But why that chef behavior is null? Okay. Yeah, I know. Because it's entering the tree before everything here. So let's do that in let's move this to here because it should have the child item nonetheless. So let's see if we just get a strawberry is ready. Well, only if I go there. Strawberry is ready. Let's see if everything is working. Yeah, it is working. All right. No macaron. Look, no macaron there. No macaron there. Do you see that? No cookies there, just a strawberry. I don't. Why you're the only one? Yeah, macaron is never. Why though? Also, this also didn't. The strawberry, yes, but the rest, no. Is it because we have preloaded the? I don't know anymore. I don't know anymore. But there is thousands of readies, if that's okay. And then macaroni is ready. Huh. So if I left, oh, because there should be something that it's not okay when looking for the shelf, something like that. I don't know. Yeah, now it's okay. This is ready. So yeah. So whenever I do something like that, so let's clear everything. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. Also, there is no shell behavior, by the way. So if I put that in here, if I put this in here, should be like some kind of error or something like that. Yeah, should be something here that is not doing anything. Or maybe this has the shell behavior. Okay, so okay, I need to put this. Yeah, because it has the shell behavior. So this has the shell behavior, and it does have the shell behavior. But okay, right. So I don't remember what I did to determine. I don't know what I did to determine if that was why what triggered the behavior. What triggered it? I don't know. I don't remember. So default position, lower position, process, initialize, get body, shape, timer, something. I don't know what I did. Don't know. I don't know what I did. Oh, come on. Okay. There's something that I usually do. Should be something. Everything has a social behavior. Okay, I need to document everything better. Shaking true. Set to shake. Okay. Is there any place where I use this set to shake? Um, yeah. Here. Item unlocked. And I do something like this, I suppose. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I do. Okay. So yeah, this is the design flaws that I did wrong at the beginning, and now it's getting worse every time. So yeah. I don't know what to do anymore. So yeah. What can I do to know? Okay, I can do something like get parent if get parent.name is unlockable items. So I can do something like so this should remain that. So that not if get parent.name is something like it's not unlockable items. Lockable items. Okay, now it should be strawberry is ready. Strawberry 2 is ready. Macaron is ready. Strawberry 2 is ready. Strawberry is ready. Cookies is ready. And we didn't have everything there. Okay, so that would work. What should we do to record this? Because I can. Yeah. I think we need something to know. Okay, so why I'm doing that? Because I wanted to call the objective every time with this, but that's not okay. Hmm. So I lost it. Okay, so I have something that I cannot know, that I don't know how to do. And okay, so how can I do this? So I need some way to know. Yeah, I don't think that is useful anymore. Because they call deferred, I can't get everything on time. Unless I have some kind of timer or something like that. Or I can do a call defer. Okay. Okay. I think I know what can I do. So I can do a call defer for this function, and that function will get every single, okay, I know, every single item of this group. All right. So let's see. In the spawn new item, and we add to group the search, and instead of do this, we just will go and say um, yeah. So get tree get tree dot current scene call defer, and the should be get all plate items. And no else. So in get all plate items should go of get that. So let's return to this, but instead of returning anything, it should be void. And okay, so let me see, how can I select? So bar result is an array, so it should be no bar merge items. So and then if merge items dot count, is it count? No, it's not count, it's size. Is 0, then return. And what we'll do is for merge item in merge items, result.append merge item dot item properties. As merge item But this should work because we already know that the search. So let's print. So once result is, and then print result. Yeah, we change this for that. And let's try that again. Instead, have 2 strawberries and a macaron. Strawberry, and a macaron. Yeah, we don't have that. We have this. Should be just a cookies. So we have cookies, macaron, strawberry, macaron 2, and cookies 2. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we have 3, 4 strawberries, 2 cookies. And here we have 2 cookies, 2 macaron, strawberry. So instead, it's not. Okay. I don't really know what to do right now. Okay. Well. How can I do this? Just this? It's already called deferred. All right. Let's see what we can do. So instead of this, okay, let's see. Our current spawn items is an array. Can do nothing. Okay. It's an array of merge items. Okay, so let's see. So whenever I spawn a new item, yes, so whenever I spawn a new item, I do something like this. So if oh my god, I fucking hate this system in the tablet. Okay, so spawn new item. Item to spawn position. I know that if the spawn position is null, a new item spawns, and then we do everything like that. So why the angular velocity? Ah, yeah, because it will be 0. So yes, so I don't need that. So I don't need this anymore. So now what I need to is also, I really hate that it gets still the, so don't need that. I don't really need that. I need to do an merge. Okay. How did I call it? Current spawn items. So current spawn items dot append item instance should be like that, and function dot item deleted. By the way, we have a item deleted that should be a merge item and returns nothing. So if current spawn item dot has the will that work? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. But if it has, then spawn items dot. So what does return has? That what does has return? Okay, so we will need to search for that. Okay, for in current spawn items dot size. If current spawn items of position I is item deleted, then yeah, then current spawn items remove at I. Okay, so let's create a new signal. DM signals. Signal deleted. And game. let's copy this value. So in the ready function, signals dot item deleted dot connect there. So now in my merge item, on item merge, here I need to do a signals item deleted and dot emit. That should be body as merge item. Oh well, the body is already a merge item, so yeah, body. And then signals dot item deleted dot emit self. I should be able to be print on item deleted checking that, and that is item deleted name and item deleted found, and then print letting item at its decimal, I think, and I can do something like that, and then print current merge items, then print current spawn items. And let's see how it fails. So yeah, let's see. Bada boom. Why? I think it's -1. Oh, because if I do this, it's not. It's not okay. Are yeah, because if yeah, sure, and then break. I need to do something like this. Come on. Also, taking that print previous items. That's it. Should be like 2 strawberries. Okay. So previous it also has the macaron. Current is that. Previous and then current because there is only a macaron. Okay, this is the strawberry also. So let's see the remotes. And let's do an export here. And let's check again. Because I want to have something like this. Right now it's a macaron, but I want remote game. Get to the game again so I can inspect that, so I can do that again. And it's not working because I don't know. Now, okay. So size 1. No, not this one. Where is it? It is not here. Here. Size 2. And we have this and this. But I don't know what is what. But there are 2, so this should be okay. Okay. This should be okay. So now I should be able to send the signal so every time we spawn a new item, I need to send the signal. Okay, I don't need this anymore. This seems to be working. So maybe I can do something different, like and delete the dot, I don't know, UID, something like that. We have something like ID. No, maybe not. Well, it's okay. So yeah, so every time we spawn something, we go to um, em signals dot with a merge, and we send the current spawned items. Sorry, merge dot emit, and we send everything that it emerged. So we go to the objective and it emerged check if completed, and we have here the check if completed an array of merge item. So that's current spawn items. So if item to check dot item properties dot name there, that should be. That should be. So now should be okay there. If I make another macaron, okay, so now those two are okay. So now I should get rid of the macaron. So the macaron goes off. Okay, the cookie didn't go off because we had the cookie. Okay, yes. Now the macaron is on. This is on. This is okay. Okay, this is off. And this is on. Okay. Okay. Should be working. Alright, it is working. So let's go back so we can see. Alright. Yeah. It's working now. Perfect. Okay. Oh, finally. Finally. Alright. So, yeah. Okay. That's done. Done already. So, yeah. What do we have here? I don't care about that. It's let me check again what I did here. Okay, so connect that to the reset. Okay, so now we will need to what I did in here, check if it is completed. So we don't need that anymore. So when this is completed, I will need to so something to DM signals dot objective completed dot emit and put the current objective. This current objective is a redstone properties, right? Yes. Alright. So whenever it is already done, then we have the objective completed. It's down here. I don't need this anymore. I do need to do something like var current completed objectives, and it is an array of merge item properties, and this will contain the current completed objectives no. Well, yes, but also no. But yes. Need to update. Okay. Will contain. So okay. Add current objective to array, then enable to check if objective item is tapped, and here I will put a to do, make a objective lost function and signal when conditions no longer apply. Because this is a very over-engineered way to do things. I I will repent that about this. I will totally repent. Yeah. Well, no, maybe not. Okay, so I had something like this check. So I need to check. So on item deleted, I make another function here. Function check if objective still present. And so let's do an update. Current completed objectives. It takes nothing, it returns nothing. And for var found it's a boolean and it's false. So for spawn item in current spawned items, if current complete objectives, that has spawn item dot item properties, because this is a merge item or is a merge item property. So if it has that, well, has that, then found equals true, well, return. And I don't need that. So if it has return, is because there has found that. So okay, that's not okay. No, let's do that the other way. No, I cannot. No. Our item found is of merge item properties and is now null. So item found no. Well, I will do that. Return for now. Another to do. Change current spawn items to be item properties. Also need to properly check if current completed objective is in spawn items and not the way it is now. Okay, so that is my homework for next week. So I will end the stream already in a few minutes because I am out of time. So yeah, that's it for today. Well, little progress, but I need to refactor lots of code. But now I have like a good way to tell if we have an objective, and if we do not have an objective, I can do something like this. I can do the other way around. Okay. Can do the other way around. The, the objective who tells game to remove an objective. Okay, so yeah, I have now a mental image of how I want to do that. So next week I will fix this. I will try to finish this objective detection system, and I will try to make the function to be able to tap the objective, the item that is an objective, and the item will be removed and the objective will be completed. So yeah, that's for next Wednesday. So yeah, that's it for today. Uh, if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe, like, and all the things that YouTubers say. So yeah, see you next Wednesday. Bye bye.